In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Figma file. First, let's download the full project file. Open the Figma file you want to save in either the desktop app or in your web browser. Both work the same way here. Once the file is open, look to the top left corner and click the Figma logo. The hamburger style menu. From that menu, go to File, then choose Save Local Copy. Figma will prompt you to pick a destination on your computer, such as your Downloads folder or your desktop. Choose a location you'll remember, confirm the save, and you are done. This creates a local copy of your project that you can back up, move to another machine, or share offline. Keep in mind, it's a snapshot of the current state, so it won't include cloud version history or live collaboration until you re-upload it to Figma later. If you don't need the entire project and only want specific parts like a single screen, a logo, or a set of icons, exporting assets is faster and more flexible. Start by selecting the frame, layer, or group you want to download directly on the canvas. With it selected, look over to the right-hand sidebar. Scroll down to the Export section and click the plus button to add an export setting. This is where you choose the format that matches your use case. Pick PNG or JPG for images and web graphics. PNG preserves transparency, while JPG is great for photos and smaller file sizes. Choose SVG for logos and scalable icons, so they stay crisp at any size. Select PDF for print-ready designs or multi-page documents like presentations or handouts. Before exporting, confirm the size or scale that suits your needs in the Export section. For example, 1x is standard, and larger scales like 2x can help with high-density screens. When everything looks right, click Export. Figma will ask where to save the file, just like before. Pick your folder, confirm, and your asset will be saved with the format and settings you chose. That's it. Thanks for watching.